Here's another comment. I just want to cover the comments first, okay? Several, there were like 3 comments there, okay? You are giving your opinions. No, hopefully what I'm doing is defining objectively so that I can use it consistently, okay? Scientific definitions, use consistently, okay? Consistent use. You don't get to throw out words just because you don't like how they are often applied. Again, I'm trying to set the foundations of science. Okay? I'm trying to get a language started that we can all use consistently when we communicate with each other. Then you can understand what I'm saying. If we're not going to define some of these key terms, we don't have to define every word in the dictionary. We just have to define those words that make or break our theories, our explanations. And if we don't do that, we don't know what the other guy's saying. This guy, A interprets one thing, B interprets something else. And that's the problem we have today. There's no communication. People think they're listening to the same thing, but a lot of it depends on your biases, on your prejudices, how you were educated, etc., etc. Okay? What you believe, she said. Referring to Ayn Rand, right? And I quote, I'm going to quote, I haven't done so, I haven't even gotten to Ayn Rand yet, because we need to set this foundation. What is philosophy? And if philosophy is subjective or objective. If it's going to be objective, we're going to have to change a little bit of what Ayn Rand did, because all of her stuff was, all of it, 120% of it was subjective. Okay, and I'm going to show that with her own quotes. Okay, but this is the issue: is I quote Ayn, I'm going to quote Ayn verbatim and establish objectively what she said. That's what I'm going to get to. Okay, but right now we're still trying to set the foundations for philosophy. And I do caution and clarify, I'm not a philosopher. I'm not interested in philosophy, okay? What do I mean by that? Well, I guess I'm going to get a little ahead of myself on what philosophy is, but I don't explain behavior. I'm not interested in that. I do that in history, but I don't do that on my channel very much. Maybe one time or another I may have done that, but I'm not into that at all.